What's going on, everybody? Thank you for clicking on the clip. We're out here. I just had to move this thing from behind the shop to where it is, aside from about a 50-foot pull with the three-wheeler. Old Big Red did her job, but she dug a hole because this thing's too heavy in the sugar sand. Yeah, that sugar sand's absolutely horrible. Hasn't been started in 3 years. Yeah, all tuckered out. Moving this car by myself is a pain in the ass. The three-wheeler don't want to pull it, so here we go. This is how I've been moving this thing since I got it somewhat pulled with the three-wheeler. Here we go. Yeah. Screwdriver, starter, and put that frickin' thing in gear. All because the key switch don't work. Or stopped working. A little bit more. Go. There you have it. Moving any clips with no key. I just remembered YouTube likes longer videos, so we'll give a little walk around on any clips also. Already flared front wheels. Everything's on 2-inch wheel spacers. The front end is going to get custom fiberglass air dams. That's an 800 horsepower intercooler on this thing. It's already plumbed, got the aftermarket blow-off valve. I got to get the new exhaust on here and the new turbo. Already got the aftermarket lights. Got to repaint the hood. The whole thing needs repainted. I don't like this fin either. I think I'm going to put the aluminum fin back on it, but yeah, wheels need painted. I do like the back body piece. I've got the side skirts that I got to fix the fiberglass on. Other than that, I took the cloth seats out of my old Eclipse, put them in here because I didn't want the leather. Did a quick little spray bomb. I'm gonna touch this all up and redo the interior. That dash is absolutely horrible. This thing's been sitting for a long while. But yeah, there's a turbo that's going on it. Stainless exhaust. All the pieces, parts, they made it wrong, so now I gotta cut it apart and fix it also. This back window needs resealed. I need to go through and redo all the cables and stuff for the sunroof. Get the rear wiper working again. I don't mind the back lights. The back end don't look bad, but it is going to be getting a custom fiberglass wide body kit for the rear also. I'm going to be doing all that out of cardboard and fiberglass. Yeah, dude, freaking janky ass little tweeters. Oh, stupid shit. Yeah, and yeah, they welded this pipe on backwards. It's 180 degrees wrong. So I'm going to fix that too. And this door does not like shutting. I don't know what the hell's going on with it, but it's going to be fixed or replaced. I might put the other doors on there because they're manual windows, crank windows, and I don't like all the electronics. This thing's going to be a race car. It does not need all the fancy electronic, extra motors and all that crap in the doors. We want to make this thing a bit lighter and make her go fast. So, all right, y'all, take it easy. Thanks a lot. Once again, thank you for clicking on the clip. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Make a comment, make some noise on the page. It's all appreciated. Until next time, y'all have a great one. See ya.